The 10th schedule of the Indian Constitution, commonly referred to as the Anti-Defection Law, stands as a bulwark against the destabilizing effects of political defections within legislative bodies. Enacted in 1985 through the 52nd Amendment Act, this schedule was introduced to address the rampant issue of legislatures switching allegiance from one political party to another, thereby threatening the stability of governments and undermining democratic processes. Let's look into the intricacies of its provisions and its significance in upholding the integrity of India's parliamentary democracy. The genesis of the 10th schedule lies in the tumultuous political landscape of post independence India, characterized by frequent floor crossing and political defections. The primary aim of this constitutional amendment was to restore stability and discipline within legislative bodies by deterring lawmakers from indulging in opportunistic defections. Let's see the key provisions. Under that, the first one is the disqualification on grounds of defection. The cornerstone of the anti defection law lies in its provision for disqualification of legislatures on grounds of defection. A member of a house, be it the parliament or a state legislature, is liable for disqualification if they voluntarily give up their membership of the political party to which they belong, or if they vote or abstain from voting in contravention of the party whip without prior permission. Second case is the legislature party versus political party. The 10th schedule unequivocally asserts that the authority to issue a whip and appoint a leader rests with the political party and not the legislature party. This distinction is crucial as it underscores the primacy of political parties in functioning of parliamentary democracy and ensures party discipline. The third case is the role of Speaker. The Speaker of the Legislative Assembly is entrusted with the responsibility of adjudicating disqualification proceedings under the Anti Defection Law. It is the Speaker's prerogative to recognize the whip and leader authorized by the political party, thereby upholding the party's internal hierarchy and discipline. The fourth one is the consideration of party constitution. In determining cases of defection, the Speaker is required to take into account the constitution of the political party as submitted to the Election Commission of India. This provision safeguards the internal rules and procedures of political parties, ensuring that their autonomy and internal functioning are respected. Let's see the exceptions. While the anti defection law applies to elected members of legislative bodies, it makes exceptions for nominated members and those elected as independents. Additionally, provisions are made to address situations where a member joins a political party after being elected. Significance of this 10th schedule. The 10th schedule of the Constitution holds immense significance in upholding the principles of parliamentary democracy in India. By deterring political defections and ensuring party discipline, it safeguards the stability of governments, promotes responsible governance, and upholds the sanctity of democratic institutions. Moreover, it strikes a delicate balance between the individual rights of lawmakers and collective interests of political parties, thereby fostering a robust and functional democracy. To conclude this, the 10th schedule or the anti defection law represents a vital instrument for preserving the integrity and efficacy of India's parliamentary democracy. Its provisions serve as a bulwark against the pernicious effects of political opportunism, ensuring that the will of the people, as expressed through their elected representatives, remains paramount in the legislative process.